Hi there. We will be looking at a comprehensive guide to finance management, financial management, advanced financial management, especially from the holistic view of what anybody that is interested in financial management, whether as entrepreneur, as student, as person that want to run a successful personal life and finance will need to know. This is Gbenga Olatunji FCA, a finance expert, a chartered accountant, and auditor, consultant, just to name a few. What do we have to discuss? Let's look at what we need to know and discuss about. These are some of the things we need to understand. First of all, what are the roles and responsibility of a financial manager? Don't see this title as theoretical. You are a finance manager as a father. You are a finance manager as an individual managing your own income. How will you manage your income? These are the things we will learn under this category of topic. Then investment appraisal and methods that we need to incorporate to manage our investment decision. So this will enable us to know how to appraise projects properly and take decisive decision, whether as individual, as CFO, as accountants, or as an entrepreneur. We will understand the statement of cash flow and what is meant by free cash flow, equity, as it relates to debt and as it relates to the business owner, which we call equity, and that of the firm, which we call free cash flow. Also, we'll move to what we usually call WACC, that is weighted average cost of capital. Capital is not cheap. We need to know where to get our capital from and what its cost will be. Don't forget, cost of capital is deductible in taxation, and there are lots that I think I should not introduce us too soon into than to just do this overview. Just a foretaste of what you should expect in finance management and advanced financial management. We will discuss about, of course, the adjusted WACC and the like. Don't bother yourself too much about all those names. Dividend policies will be discussed. Do you know that not every investor actually require and wants to have dividend? You believe me when I say it? So we are going to get into why organizations have dividend policies around dividend payment and the like that they have as policy. What attraction would dividend policy bring to an organization? All this and many more will be discussed. We will discuss international investment and financial decision. How we localize our investment decision actually is different from when we have an international investment project to decide on. What are the things we need to consider and what are the things we need to avoid? These are the things we need to understand and will be discussed under this category. Options, derivative, will be discussed. Pricing strategy, especially as it relates to firms acquisition, will be discussed. Business valuation must be understood. How do you value an organization, especially for those that have the cash to purchase organizations? And as student of finance, you need to understand different methods of business valuation. Somebody come to you that you should do business valuation, probably it's your home business. Value this business for me, I want to sell it. How will you approach it? Those are the questions that will be answered under this category of topic. If this seems like what you would like to understand, kindly subscribe to GJAMES Associate channel and follow Gbenga Olatunji FCA anywhere I go on the platform, right? We pride ourselves that we have value to life. We have value to your businesses. We are going to move on and discuss about corporate failures and reconstruction. I know reconstruction has caused a lot of people to become unemployed. Why do organizations do this? What is the reason of business reconstruction? And also, what are the causes of corporate failures? What make organizations to fail and like? We are going to understand in this category under this category of topic. Risk management as a financial manager for yourself, for your organization, for your business. Risk management skills. How do you hedge, especially as it relates to foreign exchange risk? We are going to learn it. Hedging interest rate risk, we are going to understand it. Then we move on to the economic environment for multinationals. I want to believe that some of you are working in multinationals and some of you aspired listening to me to work in multinational in which I'd worked. You need to prepare yourself and arm yourself with knowledge. We are going to understand in this under this category. Then we move on to money market and complex financial instruments, like I mentioned, derivative, forwards. We are going to learn all this and many more. Gbenga Olatunji & Co. actually is a chartered accounting firm. GJAMES Associates is a consulting firm. Do you want us to keep your books for you? Do you want us to prepare your financial reporting for you? Do you want us to discuss with your team of finance and accounting personnel? Reach out to us. We pride ourselves that we are value to life. We are value to your businesses. Other topical issues will be discussed in financial management as we continue. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to GJAMES Associate. Follow us on all channels. We are value to life. We are value to your businesses.